Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the custom Ford Bronco, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their Baja Blazer series. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. Okay, it is weightless actually compared to the others which we normally do. There's huge set of plastic tires here. Looks like a off-roader here. So this doesn't have any windshield on any of the sides. So this one is actually made of plastic. This is not metal here. Here's a look at the interior. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you loved my video, subscribe. So it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.